Okay everyone, today I have another DX-979 with an RFX-75 on the back. This is a tune-up report for Travis in Mississippi. Travis, over here I've got 0 to 30 watts. You see all the way up we got 15 watt dead key. All the way down I set you for a 4 watt dead key. Put it like 0 to 30 from the power up. Over here on the peak reading watt meter for a 100 watt scale.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. Looks like it's right at the 75 mark. Audio, check, 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 check.
Alright. And the sideband I keep cut back a little bit so it maintains some linearity. It gets ugly at the 75 mark.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, check, 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 check.
We got about 60 watts of sideband in there. Have I going down for radio check?
I appreciate coming back to me, thank you.